Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software on S&P Mini Future. This is how scanner displays the alert, and this is how price moves higher with precise entry, stop, and target. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse it's an aggressive trade. All the details in the course, all the details in the bootcamp, where we will dissect this structure to the tick. Intelligent trader understands price reaching critical key target, bold red zone ahead. Powerful pullback is critical, crucial. That's it. And that's simplicity and purity of software in front of you. When you trade pure price, you do not need anything else. You become free from chasing indicators, from chasing junk, from chasing insecurity blankets. You trade pure price. You're in charge, you're free, and you can trade any instrument you choose, on any time frame, on any platform. In the trading room, you're witnessing this to the tick. Target RZ is critical, crucial moment. Trade plays out on different chart. I project software on this chart. So let's convert this chart to even smaller time frame so you can see to the tick this event. As this is critical key place, as intelligent trader understands, RZ reversal zone. Pullback to the downside is critical, crucial. Confirm. That's it. And when you know this in advance, you do not speculate for random targets. You understand quite well. Exiting your long is the only brilliant option. Cannot buy RZ, cannot buy reversal zone. So if market crashes and burns to this level before oil news, it's a beautiful news. This is what intelligent trader wants. If price is stuck in junky correction, intelligent trader will not touch this. This is junky correction as of this moment. Buyers remain fully in charge. But pulling trigger randomly at this level is not a brilliant option. Exiting your long is a brilliant option. And that's playing out on S&P Mini Future. But if you choose to trade gold long term on all platforms, all time frames, this was gold in March 2023, exactly a year ago, and then it sold off. My goodness, of course, gold is testing key reversal zone next. But how it bounced with vengeance from this level confirmed the power of critical key support and importance of intelligent trading. How you trading Apple, buying the bottom and selling the top is a critical key part. There is no safe haven in Apple. No software on this chart, only proprietary Fibonacci tool, only proprietary levels. Identical thing on Amazon. No software on this chart. Amazon is not safe haven. It collapsed 65% and it will do so again, and it skyrocketed 65% from the bottom. But if you choose to trade Forex, of course you can. I met with students in Europe when Euro was at the bottom. Euro keeps skyrocketing and bouncing from key Alpha Fibonacci support. With your brilliant, intelligent effort, you know this, weeks and months in advance. 104 is lifeline on Euro. Bitcoin. Sell-off is on during Super Bowl. When Tom Brady hyping Bitcoin, we're discussing short Bitcoin. 2021. Bitcoin in free fall. So many teary phone calls I received. I wish I listened to you. I wish I joined the course. Safe haven lies in you and your limitless effort. And when you apply Fibonacci rules and you understand where Bitcoin is now, is crucial key part, you monitoring for selling pressure. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision only. Oil news this morning. How oil skyrocketed and collapsed despite war in Ukraine is a stunning reminder. You cannot gamble, you cannot speculate, you cannot trade random targets. You're using your limitless brain and you know months in advance where to short oil from, where to buy oil from. That's it. Oil news this morning. This chart present in front of you for weeks. Bullish rally on oil overextended. Powerful pullback is key. But this was a spectacular event, February 26th. Let's take a look and recap what played out on oil during bearish news, shall we? To remind you, S&P reached reversal zone. Powerful pullback is the only good news. Identical level as on Bitcoin, identical level as on Amazon, as on Apple, as on Euro, as on oil, as on gold, as on every instrument. Trading room open so you can see the power of the software on S&P mini future and the live markets without any delays. That's it. Simple and pure. Use your limitless brain. Apply Alpha Fibonacci Rules, Proprietary Strategies, Proprietary Fibonacci Retracements. And when you do, the sky's as a limit. With software for NinjaTrader 8 or without, for all platforms. As traders down since 2011. So let's go down to February 25th. And let's take a look on that event, shall we? This is critical key reversal zone, and you know so far in advance. S&P pulling back, it's a beautiful news. Scanner giving us alert. So what does the intelligent trader understand right now? It's a counter trend trade. It's the only option. As again, you cannot buy the market at this level. If you're trading your own little account, you can only short. That's it. But why is it such a crawl on short? Because institutions continue buy market with vengeance. That's it. Your trading day is done. You're walking away with profit. You're adding lot size, not the number of trades. You start today with a single lot. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. You're adding 1 lot per month. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. By the end of 3 years, you're trading 30 lots. You do not need many trades. What you do need is quality and your effort. Price reaching critical key target, as you learn in the course, single and double lot size is out completely. Only if you are trading multiple lot sizes, you can afford to be in the trade. But this is again and again and again stunning reminder of precision and importance of obeying the rules. That's it. So again and again and again, stunning reminder of the importance of obeying the rules and respecting this target. Precise Alpha Fibonacci chess in the live markets. That's it. No gambling, no speculation, no stress. ultimate precision only on S&P mini future or any instrument you choose to trade. This is oil news, February 28. Extremely negative news. Here's oil skyrocketing from this level before news. From that point on, oil skyrocketed 100 points plus. That's it. That's the event on oil. Until oil reaches critical key Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. Identical level where euro bouncing now. Charts are twins. Retail chart on oil and euro have exact same thing as S&P, as Nvidia, as Amazon, as Apple in common. It's pure price. It's simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. When you trade pure price, you become free. You are in charge and you can trade any instrument you choose. Brick wall before oil news. Powerful pullback is critical. Institutional rally extremely high. And that's where oil is now. Bouncing from key level. Institutional chart on oil overextended extremely high. Entirely different place than November versus now. Entirely different place a week ago versus now. Powerful pullback. It's critical, crucial. If you look to buy oil, this is ideal. This is second best. Not here. Play by the rules and the sky's as a limit. If oil skyrocketed up to here, it confirms institutional longs. Buying overextended rally is extremely aggressive. Buying the bottom, conservative trading. And core of the Alpha Fibonacci system. Absolutely no software on this chart, only your limitless brain and your limitless effort. On all platforms, all time frames, all instruments since 2011. And what S&P have done is flawless. Again and again and again, remind you. Do not ever disrespect decision point 2 as your key target. Again and again and again. Software shows you where target is. Software showed you this morning where to exit your long. That's it. And that's precision of the Alpha Fibonacci software on S&P mini future in the live markets. For Ninja Trader 8. So traders, we are down to only 2 spaces in the bootcamp as of this morning. Please remember this bootcamp will not repeat for those lucky 2 new students. Value of $27.77 included in trading bootcamp. So please understand and review everything posted on the homepage. System traded globally since 2011, from beginner to hedge fund trade on all instruments, all platforms, all time frames. So when you join us today and you make an effort, you will trade predictive, proprietary, institutional lifetime system with precise entry, stop and target on all instruments, all time frames, or with a lifetime Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8, with multi-market scanner group or mentoring classes. With a bootcamp savings over $10,000 for private mentoring, I have only 1 spot left. Currently in private mentoring, I work with students in New Jersey, Australia, New Zealand, Middle East, London, Monte Carlo. Every single trader, different instrument. Every single trader, different background, different account. So if you are in Texas or Florida, of course, students all over the world. Almost every state in US and more than 50 countries. But if you will choose group course and and you are on Ninja Trader 8, savings more than $7,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. This bootcamp will not repeat. I have not done bootcamp in years. So please understand and review everything posted under bootcamp section. All identified in detail for you. You do not have to attend. Bootcamp private section will be available to you to view recordings 24/7. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. But yes and yes and yes. Graduates of the course will be stopping in bootcamp to share their journeys and their stories. Legend Ken will be speaking from London. I hope that Theo can drop by. Georgie will be speaking. Richard may attend as well. The floor is open to any graduate who would like to say hi. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I look forward to seeing you in a bootcamp.